Hello everyone, I am Omkar Kocharekar and today we will be talking about the Aputure Color LED MC. So let's see what's inside this case. This is the Aputure RGBWW MC Led and a carrying case with two slots, one to keep the light, and let's see what's inside the second slot. A silicone diffuser, two adhesive tape and one C-type charging cable. I can see the build quality is really sturdy and tough. So I can see a lamination on it. Let's remove it. And on the left side there are dials and one C-type charging slot. And on the right side it has fans. On the top we have OLED display. And on the back side you have two magnets. You can attach it to any metal piece. And on the bottom of the light there is a screw mount. You can attach it to any stand or a tripod. So let's talk about the modes inside this. It has CCT, HSI, BT and FX. So in CCT mode, you can change the Kelvin from 3200 to 6500. You can change the intensity also from 0 to 100. After a long press of the first dial, you can enter the HSI mode, in which you can change the hue and you can change the saturation of that color. And you can change the intensity from 0 to 100. And after the same long press, you can shift it to FX mode, in which you have different kind of styles. One is paparazzi, second is fireworks, third is fault bulb, then TV, cop car, then lighting, then party, fire, and yes, this is it. Now let's talk about the next mode, the BT mode. If you need to control this light from your mobile phone, you need to download the Cinematographer Link app, which is available on iOS and Android as well. Through this app, you can control the Aputure MC remotely. So let's see what all things you can do with this app. So there is white, gel, color, effect section. In the white section, there are many modes. You can switch on and switch off the light. You can also change the intensity. You can also change the color temperature from 3200 Kelvin to 6500. You can also expand it till 20,000 Kelvin. In CTO or CTB option, you can change the temperature from tungsten to daylight. Also there are various options like full CTO, half CTO, without CTO, 1/3, 1/4. The next mode is HSI. You can select any color through color wheel. There is one more option which is picker, in which you can select any color which is available in the environment. In effects section, you can also control various effects like party lights, like paparazzi, fireworks. You can also control multiple aperture lights through this app. If I switch off this light and switch this on, it's too harsh right now. But they have given one diffuser and now it's pretty soft. If you want a compact, sturdy and good quality light, Aputure MC is the one for you. To watch such videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel Omkar Kocharekar, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, hasta la vista.